Introducing the Yeslamp Evo, a 6-axis adjustable large-range LED desk lamp that offers the perfect light and brightness. Yeslamp Evo's unique designed LED light beads achieve a great color quality with a color rendering index CRI above 95, providing an eye-friendly source of light that helps you see authentic colors of any object. Whether you are working on a new design project, having a video conference, or having a good time with children, the quality of light matters. It looks professional in video meetings and has the right kind of light that makes you look better and provides a better visual experience for your viewers. Yeslamp Evo is made with 60 special LED light beads that provide a powerful light output. Those long hours in front of the computer screen will become brighter with the right light. This vision-friendly light will allow you to explore 5 brightness levels and 5 color temperature options. We know you care about the style of your space, which is why we made the Yeslamp Evo's design unique, lightweight, and sturdy. With 3 adjustable arms and 6 adjustable rotation options, the light will meet your requirements when working at a desk. It is nice to have your desktop spacious and clean. That's why, to create the perfect desk lamp, we integrated other functions. The Yeslamp Evo has an integrated calendar and time display, an alarm clock, a humidity and temperature display, and a USB port, so you can charge other devices without needing extra USB chargers around the workspace. There is no need for having multiple gadgets cluttering your desktop when you can keep your workspace even more neat and tidy. This is the Yeslamp Evo, the evolution of the desk lamp.